During the summer sales event, Lakeland Hyundai can lower your car payment in 60 minutes or less. We'll show you how to lower your payment $25, $50, even $100 a month and make no payments until next year. Now through July 31st, only at Lakeland Hyundai on Memorial Boulevard. During this summer sales event at Lakeland Hyundai, drive a new Elantra for $99 a month or a new Tucson for just $129 a month. All backed by exclusive lifetime warranty and 1-year free maintenance. Get more for less at LakelandHyundai.com. During this summer sales event at Lakeland Hyundai, drive a new Kona at just $129 a month. New Santa Fe's just $169 a month. All backed by exclusive lifetime warranty and 1-year free maintenance. Get more for less at LakelandHyundai.com. Right now at Lakeland Hyundai, choose from a family of SUVs, Konas, Tucsons, Santa Fe's, and Santa Fe Sports, with payments starting from only $129 a month and prices from just $18,500. Plus, get a real nationwide lifetime warranty. Get more for less at LakelandHyundai.com.